Hi guys, VST here, Venus Tech. Today I want to show you 3 very quick tricks using the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus camera. Those tricks will probably work on more Samsung devices. But before we go straight into that, let me know if you have subscribed already for my channel, because I guess not. And if that's the case, then you can open my channel like this. Just hit here the subscribe button. Don't forget to also tap the notification bell, press all, and you're gonna get notified every time I want to give something free. Sorry, I upload a new video, which is also free. So yes, subscribe for my channel, guys. And now, without any further ado, let me show you 3 very nice tricks, guys. So first trick, this is Samsung phone. Okay, you can shoot like this, that you all know this. But what if you want to do like the perfect selfie, guys, or what if you want to do like the perfect shot and then you're not really hitting the button here? Just take your thumb and you can drag here this element, you see, and then you can just focus the shot and tap here, guys, or put it wherever you want to get on the screen. Very ideal. I just discovered it myself today. It's a very neat trick to put the shutter button wherever you want to have it, guys. So this is trick number 1. Very often you want to shoot something with the back camera, but then suddenly you want to turn the front camera and do a selfie, and then of course you can do this by just hitting the button here. But what if there is a nice way to do this, guys? Just take your finger, swipe like this, and then you can scroll through the cameras. This is very neat and helpful trick. All right, one more to go. Stay tuned, guys. One final trick to go. The last trick, guys, is a very neat one. So you know that when you just take your finger and just hit the edge of the shutter button, you can do a burst shot like this, right? And now I'm just doing, you see, 20 frames, right? I can do it again. I'm taking 20 frames. But what if you can change this shortcut for something else? Let me show you. Actually, you can. When you go here to the settings, guys, then you have something called swipe shutter button to edge to take burst shot, or you just click it and then you can create GIF. And now, guys, when you do like this, you are going to be actually creating a GIF, right? That's very handy. No additional software needed, guys. You can create an animated GIF. All right, so this was like my 3 very quick tips for using the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus camera. I do hope that you liked the video. Time is over. Please subscribe, like, share, enjoy, and have a nice rest of the day. VST over and bye.